This is the motorized bicycle that I'm riding today. I'm going on my post office challenge. I'm riding to the post office. I picked this bike up probably about 25 years ago at a thrift store, and since then it's pretty much just been sitting in my shed rusting. I seen a bicycle that had a motor on it, and I was like, oh man, I need to do that. But I was never able to do that with this bike because it's so small, because it's only a 20-inch. And then I was looking for a way to motorize it anyways, just about, earlier this year of 2024. And I came across that Jarrod D, his video on how to make this build. So that's how I took his build and put it on this bike. And then this is the first time I used the camera. I was testing out my old 3G cell phone that they say I can't use anymore because it's 3G. So I wanted to see how it worked as a camera. And also it was the first time I rode this bicycle since this happened. The day before Mother's Day, 2024, I was testing it out, and I was doing about 20 on it, and I was hitting speed bumps as fast as I could to see how it was going to react. And because I didn't have the engine thing mounted to my seat post tight enough, it was able to move off my tire, and it hit me in the spokes, and I just did an endo, and I ate the ground really hard and fast. But that was a fun day. That was pretty cool anyways. But I'm taking this bike on its first drive since then, and we're going to the post office with it. And here we go. I've been riding laps. It was kind of a cold-blooded. I didn't really want to get going very good yet. Still pretty cold right here. Warming up a little bit right here. I just realized I need to reorganize my pockets, so I'm going to make a quick stop. When I'm trying to get the full speed through, I can feel my steel rollers slipping. I'm not sure why, if it's because my bungee's just not tight enough, or if it's because I got my tires too bald, or I'm on a 20-inch with a bald tire. Just doesn't grip that great. I'm getting ready to make another safety inspection right here real quick. Did a quick inspection. Well, made it to the post office. I really have to slow down to drive through here. That engine just bounces like crazy on my tire. I'm probably doing about 15, I suppose, through here. They're just going bang, 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 bang. Then as I'm riding through this parking lot, I'm noticing that CNC throttle grip I got, the handle comes unscrewed sometimes, and when you let off the gas, you can feel it be unthreaded. So you gotta like twist it to full throttle to get it to tighten up, but it doesn't really tighten when you're riding. So I got kind of a weird handle right now. Whoa, that back tire slid around that corner. It's like I'm getting a flat. Yep, I'm totally getting a flat. I'm having a real tough time catching up to that lady right there. I'm like having to feather the throttle kind of to make it grip a little bit. My tire's getting really flat, and my wheel is just, and my roller's just spinning. I'm just feathering the throttle. This lady, I'm like having a real tough time catching her. I need to hurry up and get home. Oh yeah, that tire is so flat. It's almost not even working right now. It's so flat. I was worried I was gonna have to walk it.